Hello family, I'm Crypto Hunter. Today is January 21st, 2024. Recently, Monero has been doing well, constantly reaching new highs. Many fans have sent private messages to Crypto Hunter asking how to mine Monero. Today, Crypto Hunter will release a video tutorial to teach everyone how to mine Monero using a CPU. Monero is a privacy coin, the leader in this sector, and has soared several hundred times over the past few years. If no other CPU offers better returns, you can mine it, bet on the future, and maybe one day, it will rise again. As usual, before mining, we first prepare a Monero wallet and visit the Monero official website. Click the Downloads button to see various versions of the wallet available for download. It's recommended to use the Lite wallet so you don't have to wait for long block synchronization. You can use the My Monero wallet. This wallet supports various mobile devices. For convenience in demonstration, I will use the Windows version, but it is recommended to use the Mac version for greater security. After downloading the wallet software, we proceed with the installation. After installation, choose to create a wallet, then give the wallet a name you like. Here, I'll enter BitHunter. Next, click, then select the Dani-T checkbox. Then continue to the next step, where a mnemonic phrase will be created. Save this mnemonic phrase for future wallet recovery. The next step is to verify the mnemonic phrase. After verifying, the final step in creating the wallet is to set the wallet password. Once the setup is complete, we can enter the wallet. Here is the wallet address. You can click the copy button next to it to copy the wallet address. If you want to make a transfer, you can click the send button below to set up the transfer. With the wallet address, we can start mining. Let's first look at the available Monero mining pools. We come to the Mining Tostats website and can see the main 3 Monero pools. It is recommended to choose the second one, the support pool, because it shows a mining pool fee of 0.6%. So, it is also suggested to choose a pool with low fees. We go to the mining pool and click on the Help menu in the upper right corner. After navigating to the interface, select the third step for setup. Here you can see the mining pool address. With the mining pool address, you can start mining. Although both Monero GPU and CPU can participate in mining, the CPU will be more efficient. So here, as always, I have prepared Monero CPU mining scripts for various platforms. If you need these scripts, feel free to join the official BitHunter Telegram group. You just need to send Monero tutorial or Chinese Monero tutorial in lowercase in the group. The group bot will automatically reply to you with Monero mining scripts for various platforms. With the scripts, you can start mining. First, let me demonstrate how to mine Monero on the Windows platform. Set the miner name to something easily recognizable for yourself, then save the settings. Double-click the mining script to start mining. It is important to note that if your Windows system reports a red error while mining Monero, it may be due to insufficient permissions. You need to select the ThumbRig mining software, right-click, and then choose Properties. Under the Compatibility menu, check Run this program as an administrator, then rerun the mining script. You will see that the previous red error will no longer appear. If you are on an Ubuntu platform, you can also modify the Chinese in the Ubuntu script to your own wallet address. If the miner name is not set, it defaults to the Ubuntu machine name. Then copy the script into your Ubuntu command line and press enter. The script will automatically help you install the mining environment, download the mining software, and start mining. Of course, if you find copying and pasting scripts troublesome, Hunter also prepared a more intuitive one-click deployment script for Monero for you. You only need to enter the BitHunter one-click deployment script in the Ubuntu command line, then input option number 113 and press enter to enter the Monero one-click mining script. If it is your first time mining Monero, you can choose to input option 1. Perform one-click deployment mining of Monero, then enter the mining wallet address. This is a mandatory entry. Below is the miner name setup, which you can also skip setting. After setting up, press enter to run the script. It will automatically install the mining environment, download the mining software, and start mining. If you want to redeploy, you can enter option 2 to view the mining log, enter option 3, and to stop mining, enter option 4. After introducing the Ubuntu system, I will demonstrate how to mine Monero on the HiveOS system. You only need to select the ThumbRig mining software in the flyer table, then set the mining address. If it cannot connect, you can also choose to set it as a relay address. Additionally, some family members use Apple's macOS system. I have also prepared a one-click mining script for Apple's macOS system. You only need to change the wallet address in Chinese in the script to your own wallet address and then copy the script. Then, on the Apple macOS system, paste the script into the command line and press enter to run. You can successfully start mining Monero. If you want to check the mining status of your machine, you can go to the mining pool interface, enter your mining wallet address in the search bar, and press enter to confirm. The mining pool will then display your machine's online status, hash rate, and payment information. Alright, today's Monero mining tutorial is shared with everyone up to here.